Want to make your Canva presentation stand out? Let me show you a quick hack to level up your design in seconds. Let's get started. First, add a background image. I'll go with this one. Resize it to fill the entire canvas. Next, go to Elements. Add a square shape. Make it full screen. Change its color to white. And adjust the transparency for a subtle overlay. Now, let's add text. Head over to Text, choose this style, type in your text, position it, and resize it. Change the color to black, then go to Effects and remove any applied effect. Next, go to Elements, search for a circle frame, resize it, and place it here, and add a 10-pixel white border. Now, duplicate this frame 5 times. Select all of them and group them together. Resize if needed, then drag and drop images into the frames. Now add another square shape at the bottom and resize it. Then add a triangle shape and place it below the first image like this. Then add a text and position it here. Go to Fonts, select Montserrat Semi-Bold. Resize the text, set the color to white, and position it in the center of the box. Now type the text for the person. Resize it and center it again if needed. Once everything is set, duplicate the page, update the text for the second person, and move the triangle below the second image. Repeat this for all slides. Now, go through each page and change the image border color. Finally, add the match and move animation and apply it between all pages. And that's it. Here's the final result. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to discover the best Canva apps, check out this video next. I'll see you there.